Stop what you are doing and listen. This is not a coincidence. You are hearing my voice right now because the person you are thinking about is currently experiencing a massive energetic shift that is forcing them to chase you. As you listen to this, their ego is crumbling and they will never stop chasing you and your love ever again. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through the manifestation frequency so powerful that it bypasses their logic and speaks directly to their soul. By the end of this meditation, they won't just chase you, they will also love you until the end of time. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. If you are ready to let the old, broken version of this relationship die so that a permanent, healed connection can begin right now, stay with me. The shift starts at this exact moment. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale. And as you exhale, release the anxiety of how and when. Now imagine a soft light surrounding you. This is the light of transformation. Feel your body becoming heavy and relaxed. You are no longer in the world of lack. You are entering the realm of the already done. In this space, your person is already chasing you. Feel the tension leaving your jaw, your shoulders, and your chest. You are safe. You are powerful. You are the only priority. Now I want you to visualize their face. Not as they were when you were separated, but as they are when they realize they cannot go another second without you. Now visualize a bridge of light connecting your heart directly to theirs. Feel how it feels as they wrap you tight in their arms. Hear the sound of them say, "I will never leave you." See them stare into your eyes as they give you a long, passionate kiss. As you feel this, they are feeling this too. They are remembering your scent, your laugh, and the unconditional love they feel for you. Any doubt they had is melting away. They are being magnetically pulled to you because they feel they cannot live without you. Feel the love wash over you. It is done. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or whisper them out loud to anchor them into your reality. They are constantly chasing me. They are constantly chasing me. Their heart is open only for me. Their heart is open only for me. Their pursuit of me begins now. Their pursuit of me begins now. They are 100% committed to me. They are 100% committed to me. I am the prize. I am the prize. Intimacy with me feels like home to them. Intimacy with me feels like home to them. They intensely crave my presence. They intensely crave my presence. It is done. The energy is set. The universe has heard your command. Take one last deep breath. And when you open your eyes, believe and have faith that they are coming now. They have received your energetic love energy and they cannot shake it away. They are running towards you at this very moment. To fully claim this energy and lock this vibration into your physical reality, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, "I claim they are chasing me constantly." By writing it, you are announcing to the universe that you are already receiving it. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you want to collapse time even further and make them completely devoted to you, visit my website, joybyjanell.com. I have a free obsession spell waiting for you there that will amplify this frequency and bring them back to you faster than you ever thought possible. I also have other tools there specifically designed to bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.